Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video of CapCut, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can increase the speed of your video and how you can apply a smooth slow motion effect to your project using CapCut. So before moving toward the video, I request all of you, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. All you need to do is you just need to press on this plus button, add a desired project. Like in my case, I'm using this project to apply my speed effect and to apply a smooth slow motion. Let me mute down the video first, and boom. So as you can see, this is the project in which I want to increase a speed of video. Let me split it down first in two parts. In first part I will apply a speed effect, and let me show how it actually looks like. And as you can see, this is the project, and boom, this is the process if you want to increase the speed of your video. So in the other portion of this video, let me show how I can apply a smooth slow motion effect. And let me choose this portion of video and let me split it down. Split 1, split 2, and you need to press on the speed button, press on the normal, and boom. And you need to press on this tick button, and let's check. The frames are not looking good. Let me adjust it once again, and let's check it again. So these are the steps which you want to follow if you want to adjust the slow motion, or if you want to apply slow motion to your video. You can also increase the speed using this speed button. You need to press on this project, press on speed, press on normal, adjust the speed of your video. You can also apply slow motion effect using the CapCut application. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye. Boom boom. Ciao.